Hi guys! Today for writing, we're going to reread the dot another time. Today's focus is going to be on character change, which is the third box on your claims about a text paper. Let's look at how Vashti was acting in the beginning of the story. Some notes I wrote down about her feelings and traits in the beginning was that she wasn't very confident, she didn't put forth a lot of effort, and she was eager to finish. Remember when her teacher told her to just do something and she just jabbed her pencil and just got it over with? This is a character trait poster that is attached to your slides, and there's another version as well that can kind of help me understand where Vashti was. So I have different categories: nice, mean, sad, positive, negative, nervous, confident, opposites, does a lot, and does very little. That one sounds a lot like Vashti. So it has other words in here: bored, boring, dull, indifferent, lazy. Well, somebody who doesn't try very hard is definitely lazy. She was sitting there in the beginning of class and not really doing anything in the story, probably bored. Neglectful. Yeah, she had nothing on her paper. Her teacher even said, "Oh, what a great snowstorm." So she really didn't do the project. Sluggish and uninterested. I would say most of these words describe how Vashti was acting in the beginning of our story. The question is, does she act this way throughout the whole story? Well, we know at the end of the story that Vashti basically has her own art show. So I don't think if she continued to be lazy that she would have her own art show. How would she get enough art if she was neglecting her work to show to a bunch of people? Here's what I want you to do. You're going to reread The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds today. And you're going to find evidence of where Vashti starts to change in her feelings or her actions. Remember the slight change she had in the beginning about how hard it was to do art, but how easy it was to write her name? You want to look for something more significant, more important detail-wise than that. Don't forget, if you're doing it online, you are going to want to change your color and pick a different highlighter color than you've been doing for your other boxes. And, as always, you should also be filling in those details you're finding on your claims about a text page. Good luck!